precision, clear and confident without ever feeling restricted. It's direct in its message, yet elevated by the playfulness of its directorial voice, which adds vibrancy and rhythm to the story. Dream Boy stands out not just for what it represents, but for how it creates a rare and necessary space. A space where creativity continues to thrive and where voices can still find their way to be heard and celebrated. Cinema cannot just be fearless, it needs to be intimate. And that is the strength of Dream Boy.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you our best film ever for Cine Film Festival 2025, Dream Boy!
Unang-una, maraming salamat kasi may cash prize. 300,000 pa yung utang ko, may pambayad na kami. But, thank you po, Sinisilip. Siguro, I'll share this award with the other NDs, yung 6 NDs po natin. Miko, Pogs, BC, Rans, Gian, sino ba? Si Alpha. Thank you kasi lagi kong sinabi ko na dato kay Pogs, pero sinasabi ko na historical ang first sinisilip kasi kung saan man ito mapunta one day, di ba? Tayo yung mga unang nagtapang, di ba? At nagpasarap. Sorry, at nagpasarap ng film festival na to. I share this award to Dream Boy. Yes, di ba? Dream Boy siya talaga. Sorry. To everybody who have supported our film, to those who are still looking for tickets to cinemas, I don't know what happens next after this, but sa mga non-believers ng mga pelikula ng NTs ng Sinisilip, ang masasabi ko lang po sa inyo ay some stories really do refuse to die. Kasi, ang sarap lang. Thank you po!